Once I'm on the court, it's over.
Hell no! Trash ass.
I don't think they ready.
Yeah, fast, yeah, IG 送る夢のハスメンお前の方出たから
Well, you know winter's here when you start dropping knit caps. The Bape 1 Point New Era knit cap in the black colorway. Here's the brown colorway. And the last three colors, the gray, navy, and orange colorway. Now I actually really like the 1 Point collection. Real minimal, the 1 Point being the small stitched Bape patch. And that's it. Simple, clean, great for all of my minimal Bape heads. And on the other side, we got that new era logo. Ah, that's right. They dropped some Skatesters this past week. The triple white Skatesters. Not too bad, not too bad. Now you could say these are the second time they dropped these, but the first ones were cowhide leather. These have a mix of tumbled leather, that regular leather, and patent. Yeah, these are real nice. But you know, after that first wear...
Oh, look at them nice...
Now what I'm really waiting for is them all-white Bapesters. I think the last time they dropped was 2020, and that was a new gen silhouette. I need it in that new collection silhouette they've been using for the past 2 years. Ah, that 1 Point down jacket. Just about that time for down jacket season. And of course, that 1 Point Bape patch. I would definitely have something like this in my rotation. But right now, my go-to jacket, my Bape Black Label starter jacket. And if you're not down with the black colorway, here is the purple. And if you want to look like a big ass orange, the orange colorway, which surprisingly, the orange colorway was the most popular. You know, I don't show y'all too many Bape jackets, so it's a nice little change up. A good portion of last winter I was in Thailand, and Thailand is hot than a mother.
What's your profanity?
Right, I'm sorry.
The Bape Boa Jacket. Yeah, this gonna keep you extra warm. You know that material they use on like plush dolls? You know, that furry cotton. Big furry ass. Nah, I'm playing. It's cool though. For sure gonna keep you warm. And you got two big chest pockets. Bad boy does come in black, which I prefer. Alright, on to the juicy stuff now. The Vape NBA Collection. Now, I didn't cop all the teams because I'm not a big fan of a lot of the teams they drop. Oh damn, there's a skateboard in here? Okay. They usually ship these off separately. This is the Vape Kids 15th anniversary Milo skateboard. That logo right there. You got Baby Milo and all his friends right there. Baby Milo right there in the center. Yeah, Vape skateboard's always clean. But you know me, once I get on that skateboard. Now this is the first time Bape, Mitchell Ness, and the NBA has done quite a few shorts for this collection. Ever since their first collection, it's just been mostly tops. So the ones that I copped and we're gonna look at is the Lakers and Miami. Now why Lakers? Because Laker history is unmatched. But now it's
And I played for the Lakers. I'm going to the playoffs. I'm going to the West Conference Finals.
And why Miami? Because in my opinion, Red Camel is always one of the top. Now this also coming in the yellow colorway, we got that all over Bape camo all throughout the shorts. Super clean. A gold stitched NBA logo on the right side, and only on the left side we have that stitched Lakers logo patch, and plain Jane on the back. Here's all the official tags, NBA Hardwood Classic, the Mitchell Ness, and the 1993 A Bathing Ape stitched tags. A real decent pair of shorts. You can go to the game with them, play some ball in them. Oh! All kinds of stuff. A real clean pair of shorts. Now on to the Miami Heat. Let me tell you, this red is hitting. With that all over camo print, reminds me of that color camo red, one of my all-time favorite camos. Now you can probably tell each shorts is designed differently. Instead of just the NBA stitch logo, like the Lakers, we have the NBA stitch logo in the Miami patch. And on the left side, we have that Miami Heat patch logo on the front instead of the side, like the Lakers. All these shorts have nothing on the back. Now these bad boys also came in black as well, which was clean, but I'm liking that red a whole lot more. Now they dropped 2 more teams which I don't have right now, the Nets and Knicks, which
Give and go, Simmons, it's an air ball.
The New York Knicks look like straight trash.
Alright, on to the tops. Now I haven't worn a jersey top since nearly worn backwards.
You know, I'm 56 years old. Damn!
Alright, we're gonna start off with the most popular out of the 4, the Lakers. You know, I'm not no big fan, but you can always appreciate the purple and yellow. You got that clean all over camo print all throughout the jersey. You got that embroidered Bape logo looking like a sponsored partner. If it was for real, that'd be kinda cool though. Embroidered NBA on the left, and just like the official, you got the Stitch Lakers logo patch. As for the jersey number, we have 93 representing Bape's 1993. And here's the tags, and that's about it. Here's the yellow colorway, which personally I like a little bit more because it has more pop to it, and I'm not too sure, but back in the day, I always remember them in the yellow. And here's the back. Now, the last one that I got on me today, the New York Knicks. Which I'm glad it came in, because this jersey is the only one with a special feature, and that's the legendary Patrick Ewing. A little bit before my time, but what I do remember, it was a killer. The special feature even more so with the Ewing name on the back of the jersey. The only and very first special feature. Now I'm not a big fan of the shorts, but this top, yeah, this bad boy clean. Talking about some good times, man, good times. Well, there goes the ones that I had today, guys. Of course, including those, you have the Miami Heat and the New Jersey Nets.
Now Irving sees a seam, drops it off.
Well, there it is, you guys. The Bape Mitchell Ness NBA Collection. What y'all guys think? And what teams do you want in the next collection? For me, Bape, we are gonna drop the Mavericks, man. Now, I know AP did something, but AP...
I come to make an announcement. Shadow the Hedgehog's a bitch ass.
Your boy is having a huge ass sale from Black Friday all the way to Cyber Monday. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up ahead of time. On top of that, every purchase is going to get all kinds of free stuff. More details as we get closer to the dates. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!